children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So welcome back to another interesting topic. Today we will learn about above and below. Okay children, so let's dive into this video. So children, what is above? When an object is in a higher place than something, then we use the word above to decide the position of that object. Okay, have you understood? When an object is in a higher place than something, then we use the word above to decide the position of that object. I hope you have understood what is above. Now we will understand what is below. When an object is in a lower place, then we use the word below to decide the position of that object. Okay, let's repeat again. When an object is in a lower place than something, then we use the word below to decide the position of that object. In above, the object must be in a higher place, and in below, the object must be in a lower place. Let's understand this with the help of example. Okay children, look at here. What you can see? This is a table, right? And here this is a clock, right? So children, the clock is above the table, because the clock is in the higher position than the table. So here we will use the term above. The clock is above the table. Now we will see another example. Okay, here again we have a table, and here this is a painting. Now what we will say? Here the painting is above the table, because the painting is in a higher position than the table. That is why it is above. The painting is above the table. Now we will see the example of below. Look here. Here again, this is a table, and here, this time, this is a cat. Okay, and here, the cat is under the table. So what we will use the term? We will use below. The cat is below the table because the object is in a lower place from the table. So here we will use the term below. The cat is below the table. Now we will look another example. Here again there is a table, and here this is the dustbin. Here the dustbin is below the table because the object is in the lower place. That is why we will use the term below. The dustbin is below the table. Now look at this picture. Here there is a table, and here there is a clock, and here this is a cat, right? Now which one is above and which one is below here? Can you tell me children? Here the clock is above the table, and here the cat is below the table. Isn't it very easy to understand? The clock is above because it is in higher level. The cat is below because it is in the lower level than the table. Now look at this picture. What you can see? Again we can see a painting, and here a dustbin. Now tell me here which one is above and which one is below? The painting is above the table and the dustbin is below the table. Here the painting is above because the painting is in a higher position, and the dustbin is below because it is in the lower position. Okay, I hope you have understood what is above and what is below. If not, then repeat the video again and practice this at home. What is above and what is below, and how to find above and below. Till then, we will be seeing you into another interesting video. Till then, take care.